annual budget for the year 2026 amounting 3,165,841. And may I request of this honorable body the approval of our budget for our thank you.
Quiet please. Quiet po tayo kasi may nagpe-present po ng budget.
Good morning to all of us. I am Bridget Margaret M. Padilla, SK Kagawad of Barangay Palaris. Our proposed SK budget for the fiscal year 2026 amounting to 316,582.10 centavos. The 10% of general fund, I humbly pray for the approval of this body.
Thank you. Barangay Longos, pakibigyan ng food si budget, si CPDO, at si Naito. May foods na sila. Ito sila. Barangay Longos.
Yan na.